Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to install Snapchat Pixel on Shopify using the Omega plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what my dashboard looks like, and the idea is we would need to get access to the Shopify App Store. And there are a couple ways to get there. You guys can either click on the drop down for apps like so, and from here select app and sales channel settings, or you could type the name of the app that you want to install in the search bar. So in this case, if we were to download Omega, we just want to type Omega and it should show up here. Now this isn't actually the one we want. We want to use the Snapchat version of it. So we're going to go to the App Store like so. And from here, from this page, we're going to click on Shopify App Store. So here we are. We'll be redirected to this little page right here where we would need to type Omega. So I'm going to type Omega and you'll be met with a bunch of different options here. So there's the version for Facebook, and there's one for Pixels and Events API. There's one for ETA on deliveries and so on. So the one that we want here is the one for Snapchat. So we just got to look for it. This one's Pinterest. This one's Twitter. This one's one for discount quantity breaks. Okay, so this is the one we want. So it's Omega Multi Snapchat Pixels. So we're going to click on it like so. And it should take us to their store page where we have the option to install it and add it to our Shopify store. Now, if you guys read the description, it goes safeguard your Snapchat ad tracking with Pixels and Conversion API. Smart data to fuel scale process. With Omega, you can bring your Snap ads tracking to the next level with Smart Pixel installation, brushed up by unique conversation API, blah, 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 so on and so forth. So from here, simply click on install. And what's going to happen here is we're basically authorizing this application to integrate with our online store. And it goes without saying that some of the plugins over at Shopify will require you to pay for it, although there are some free ones, some have free trials even, but it goes without saying that the paid ones will come with more features. However, the free ones or the basic ones already come with the fundamentals that we need to actually run our store. So here we are, starter. Let's just do the trial one if we can. So that's how you simply install it. That's really all it takes. Okay, so it's actually asking for my credentials, so I'm just going to skip this. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.